Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. A good deal. Features also include stability control, anti-lock brakes, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system. With these ratings, take a ride in 2011 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes, FWD, steel wheels, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for